I just want to go over the right click and its usage in the First Social tab builder. Now, I decided to make its own video just for the right click and how to use the right click because it's so important in the tab builder. The left mouse button is used for the drag and drop. So you're unable to get to the options with the left mouse button because, obviously you have to move widgets and to resize them by the drag handles here. So in order to edit the options for a particular widget, a widget that's already on your canvas, you're going to have to use the right click. Now, for most of the widgets, you could just go ahead and right click anywhere inside of the widget itself. So for example, the text widget, you want to edit it, you go ahead and right click it, and that'll bring up its edit box. However, some of the widgets you're unable to click directly inside of the widget itself. A really good example of that is the YouTube video, because if you right click inside of it, what you're going to do is get a bunch of flash options because it's really just a flash video embedded. Same thing with the button widget. If you go ahead and right click on it, in some browsers what you'll actually be doing is clicking the button. In order to be able to right click these particular widgets, we actually have a border around the widget. You can see it here. There's that little border around the video, and down here on the button, there's that little border around the button. Now this is where you would right click the widget to bring up the button's options, where you can go ahead and edit its font color or its background color or its layer, anything you want there. You also delete it from there if you want as well. Just click the delete button. That border is also where you're going to left click for if you want to resize it or if you want to move it. So just to keep in mind, left click to drag and drop, right click to edit the options, and if you see a border around the widget, you want to make sure that you left or right click on the border and not in the center of the widget.